This here is the Mandala Boho Tapestry. It's one of those pieces that looks good hanging up, but it looks way better once you realize what it can do with the right lighting. Okay, so it comes with everything you need to hang it up. So what I did when I tested it was I took the two top corners, I clipped these little clips on each corner, and then I put that in the wall to hang it on. Hung within like 2 seconds. These things can be used at the bottom if you want to flatten it against the wall. The detail alone is very detailed, very colorful, enough to work as regular wall art, even at the daylight. We hung this in the TV room, and it was very visually appealing. The fabric is so lightweight and soft, so it hung really easily, and it didn't feel stiff or inexpensive. But under the black light, that's where these colors are actually going to glow and pop in a way that feels intentional. But the tapestry is designed to glow under the black light. That's where the magic is going to happen. So like for us, we didn't have a black light, but in the TV room, this still looked super cool. But for that glowing effect, the UV lighting is going to be a plus. Use it in any space at all, dorms, music rooms, even like an RV, but it's a festival backdrop. Anywhere you want that instant vibe. And the size option makes it so easy to go subtle or full statement wall. If your space feels a little flat and you want something that completely changes the mood, just take a look at that. Very nice. This is an easy move. Hang it up, add a black light if you're ready, and let the room do the talking. This video was sponsored by the brand.